All right, adventure seekers! Almost to the Maricopa campground. Stop at the brake check area. And talk about $1,000 fine for littering. Well, somebody obviously decided to litter a little bit here at the brake check area. Now, when you drop off your hankies or your regular trash, that's one thing. But when you drop something like this off and just leave it, I think that's pretty cold-hearted. So I don't know, adventure seekers. I guess if you wanted to live here, you could. Ay, caramba, look at all the VHS tapes in here. Holy mackerel. Couple beer bottles. Ay, caramba. That's all I can say. Oh well. It's a free place to live. If you want it, it's all yours. Come get it. All right, adventure seekers. Enough of Maricopa. You take Elkhorn Road over to this intersection here on the way to the Purina dog food factory. Take this intersection, go past this gate, and it's BLM land. Have fun. All right, adventure seekers. May 14th, we're at the trash dump of Maricopa, camping in the trash. But it's the best place to park this big old 40-foot motorhome. All right, stay tuned for some photo action. All right, adventure seekers. We're doing a couple rides, but a little too hot for the last ride, so RC car time. Oh, that was a good jump. This guy kicks up as much dust as my quad. That was a good one.